In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and St. Richard's Primary won and decided to send St. Mary's Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with St. Mary's. Bible knowledge, name 2 of the first 3 sons of Noah.
Japheth and Sunday.
The time has passed. Would you like to try, St. Richard's?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Shem and Ham.
Correct. Your question, St. Richard's. Bible knowledge, also name 2 of the first 3 sons of Adam.
Cain and Abel.
That's right. Local affairs, a visual question, St. Mary's. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Your time has passed. Would you like to try, St. Richard's?
No, thank you.
All right, that's Natalie Nita Garvey, Opposition Member of Parliament. Local affairs for you, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Floyd Green.
Incorrect. Dr. Dayton Campbell, General Secretary of the People's National Party, PNP. Sign, St. Mary's. With which other sense organ does the tongue work to detect the flavor of foods?
Taste buds.
Incorrect. The nose. Sign, St. Richard's. With which part of its body does a fly taste?
Their feet.
That's right. Television, a visual question, St. Mary's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jacqueline Cesar Mackenzie.
Incorrect. Sinique Vassiana, host of All Together Sing. Television, a visual question, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Anthony Miller.
That's right. Host of and producer of Entertainment Report. St. Mary's, English language, spell punctuality.
Punctuality. Punctially.
Incorrect. Punctuality. English language, St. Richard's, spell vehicle.
Vehicle.
That's right. Sports, visual question for you, St. Mary's. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Would you like to try, St. Richard's?
No, thank you.
Natoya Gould-Toppin, Jamaican athlete. Sports, a visual question, St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Adele Tracy.
That's right, Jamaican athlete. General knowledge, St. Mary's. Dakar is the capital of which African country?
Congo.
Incorrect. Senegal. General knowledge, St. Richard's. Doha is the capital of which Middle East country?
Qatar.
Correct. Social studies, St. Mary's. What is defined as government of the people, by the people, and for the people?
Democracy.
Correct. Social studies, St. Richard's. By what process are the governments chosen in democratic countries?
Election.
Correct. St. Mary's. Music. What is the name for the vocal register which is above the modal voice?
Soprano.
Incorrect. Falsetto. St. Richard's. Music. What is the name for an adult male singing voice between tenor and bass?
Countertenor.
Incorrect. Baritone. Mathematics. And we don't have time for any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are St. Richard's Primary on 8 and St. Mary's Primary on 1. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Have a positive attitude in this new school year. Be confident in yourself because with hard work, you can excel in all your classes. A friendly tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.